Good morning, dear students. After understanding strength of an acid and a base, today we are discussing on a topic which is current topic, and its name is acidity, which is a part of this chapter, acids, bases and salts. So let us start today's topic, acidity. First we learn about the meaning, then what are the reasons and how to control. Acidity is also known as acid reflux. Reflux means what? Coming back from the stomach, it comes back. That is called acid reflux. So you can take in another sense, it is like a vomiting sensation. What is acidity? The food we eat goes into our stomach through the esophagus. Please recall the biology knowledge for this. The gastric glands in our stomach secrete or create acid which is required for the digestion of food. When the gastric glands secrete or create more acid than needed for the digestion process, we tend to feel a burning sensation below the breastbone or chest bone. And this is known as what? Acidity. This condition is commonly called acidity. Nowadays it has become more common. Acidity, also called acid reflux, is a condition that is characterized by heartburn that is felt around the lower chest area. It is a common condition that occurs when the stomach acid flows back up into the food pipe. That's what I told you, vomiting sensation. Because there is an opening. If the opening is not there, it will not flow. If opening is the opening is damaged, then acid will come back to the food pipe that causes the burning sensation. The most common acid reflux symptoms is a burning sensation in the chest and a pain. We feel some as if it is a pain. While most people suffer in pain, they do not realize that poor lifestyle choices are the main reason behind acidity. So the main reason for the acidity is our lifestyle and food style what we follow as of now. Earlier we used to follow the disciplined food style and disciplined lifestyle. Now today, due to lack of time, increase in the population, demand, so we follow wrong timetable, that is causing acidity. When acidity symptoms occur more than twice a week, this symptom should occur once or twice at the most. If it occurs 2 times in a week, then it is not a good sign. So that time you have to approach a doctor. Your doctor may diagnose you with GERD, GERD, means gastroesophageal reflux disease. It is a short form known as GERD. Chronic acidity may lead to serious risks that include esophagus damage. See, the main esophagus is damages. Esophagus is the tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. When acid moves back up and enters the esophagus, it sets the stage for esophageal ulcers. See, this is the main important problem. Repeated acidity causes the ulcers, and some strictures means there is a small narrowing of the tube, and the Barrett's esophagus means what? It is where working condition of the esophagus becomes less. Increased risk of esophagus cancer, which is more likely if you have a history of the condition in the family. Our health depends upon the two factors. One is genetic, it will come from our genes. Second is what we acquire during our life. So on these two conditions, our health decides. That's why he says increased risk of esophagus cancer, which is more likely if you have a history of the condition in the family. That matters a lot. Genetic engineering. Acid reflux can wear down the enamel of your teeth and lead to cavities. So, by chance, if acid secretion is there, it will affect the teeth, which is called as the tooth decay. Now, what are the reasons? What are the causes of acidity? Acidity is caused due to excess production of acid in the stomach by the gastric glands. Why acid secretes more? That is the problem here. Now, factors that cause acidity include unhealthy eating habits. See, sometimes we skip the meals, sometimes we skip the breakfast, eating at irregular times, eating just before sleeping, overeating, consumption of spicy food, diet low in dietary fiber. As per the Ayurveda, if you are eating 100% food a day, 50% of our food should be raw, uncooked. And in the remaining 50%, it is advised that as much as possible you take raw. That means our food should contain more of fruits, vegetables in raw condition. That is what he want to say, but we don't follow. That's why he says unhealthy eating habits. This is the reason number one or cause number one. See, all these are bad eating habits. What we follow, we are shifting from Indian traditional food to the Western or the foreign style of eating food habits. That is the problem. Please understand now only. Second cause, excessive consumption of certain food. Some people have habit of taking tea, coffee, soft drinks, carbonated drinks. So they also cause acidity. See, here are the foods which causes acidity. Side effects of certain temporary medications as well as existing medications. If we are taking medication for a short period, no problem. But a prolonged exposure of our body to the chemicals in the form of medicines, especially in the case of some chronic diseases, that also causes problem in the stomach and the liver, and acidity is one of the reasons. See, don't take too much tablets. For this, you have to maintain your health condition, okay, in good condition. Stomach disorder such as GERD, already I told, tumors, peptic ulcers. If we are already having such disease, then we are not allowed to eat certain foods, and doctor will ban those food habits. Only we are allowed to eat very light, soft food till we recover. By chance, if you take risk, it may lead to the permanent damage to the stomach, or we suffer from cancer. See, this is the difference between the healthy and the one who is suffering from the GERD. Okay, this is the opening. So this is actually closed. If it is open due to the acidity reflux every time, twice in a week, so this is the reason for the acidity and vomiting sensation, and other parts of the body are there here. You learn everything in the MBBS. Okay, if you are really interested in the acidity and some other diseases. Other causes are lack of sleep. Nowadays you have seen, no, till night 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and getting late, taking breakfast at 11 o'clock. Okay, so that is called lack of sleep. Then smoking and drinking. Next is too much non-veg food. Lack of physical exercises. No pranayama, no yoga. Apart from all these, one more important factor is stress and anxiety. Whether it is a study stress, duty stress, job stress, whenever we take stress and anxiety, our body will not cooperate. So it will give a negative report. Acidity is one of the conditions. Okay. Therefore, all these are reasons for what? Causes of acidity. So we have to be very careful. See, drinking, smoking. Now, there are some home remedies for acidity. Try. From these home remedies, if you don't get a cure, then we have to approach a doctor, and doctor will diagnose correctly and you will recommend and prescribe proper medication. Self medication is always dangerous, and these are some. There are many people are following different home remedies. So some I mentioned here. Holy basil, it is a tulsi. Okay, eating tulsi every day is good for health. Sufficient water. Some people, they don't take water at all. The moment you get up from the bed during the morning hours, after some 10-20 minutes gap, take sufficient water, then go for walk or exercise or jogging. Okay. So water, minimum 6 to 8 glass a day is recommended. Milk. This milk is what? Cold milk actually. Cold milk if you take with jaggery, best home remedy for the acidity. Aloe vera juice. Okay, it is best for the skin. So for the externally or internally, for both it is allowed nowadays. So it has become very popular treatment in Ayurveda. Ginger, most common, famous, good old method, along with jaggery, along with sugar or in the form of juice, it is consumed. Mint leaves. So from the mint leaves, we can go for the juice. Okay, so that is also best remedy for the acidity. Coconut water, tender coconut water, the best. Natural saline. Jaggery. Before eating jaggery, after eating jaggery, controls the acidity. Amla, which is rich in the vitamin C. Amla with jaggery is the best combination nowadays. Many Ayurvedic company preparing the tablets with the amla and the jaggery plus with this. Okay, therefore they are best home remedies for the acidity. So kindly take care of your stomach and the acidity. Whatever I said, don't follow all those food habits and lifestyle. Ultimately, health is most important. If you're healthy, you can do wonders. Therefore, wishing you all the best. We will wind up today's session on acidity, and tomorrow we'll go on some other topic of the same chapter. Thank you, my dear students.